Hi guys, this is my presentation on infants in the neonatal intensive care unit. So first I have my overview, which it talks about what the NICU means, a neonatal intensive care unit. The NICU specializes in the care of ill or premature newborn infants, as most of us know that. Infants are put in the NICU for reasons like anemia, breathing problems, heart defects, feeding issues, gastros gastrocytosis, don't know how to say that, jaundice, and inability to control body heat. And there are also a couple more things that are in there, but they're not very common. So next I'm just going to go to the NICU and other therapies. When I looked up NICU and therapy on Google and Google Scholar, a lot of music therapy articles came up just because music therapists do work in the NICU a lot. Just like they work with old people a lot, they do work with NICUs, with infants in the NICU a lot. So I found a couple here. This is also a very, very rough screen recording, so bear with me. I'm going to go ahead and describe all of these, both of these interventions that they did that are not music therapy based. I'm also going to find a couple more and talk about those. Next, I have the NICU and music therapy. I found these two articles on the Just the Journal of Music Therapy alone. Sorry, I cannot talk. So in my real presentation, I'm going to go in a lot of depth on these, let everybody know how they went. I'm also going to find a couple more Google scholarly articles to find about music therapy because there were a lot, and I'll also go in depth on those. So that's that. And then I will do the evaluation of research. So that's going to be the evaluation of the NICU and the music therapy interventions, just because since we are music therapists, that's what we're going to focus on. And then last time, my conclusion, any closing thoughts, and then my sources. So, like I said, this was a very, very rough presentation. I'm definitely going to be working on this more, but please let me know either in class or like type how we're supposed to, give us feedback, and let me know if there are things you'd like me to add that you'd like to know about infants in the NICU and music therapy. This was short and sweet, just how I like it, even though this has to be 10 minutes. But yeah, please let me know. Give me good feedback. Obviously, I'm going to have more stuff in here to talk about. I might post another screen recording later on, but that is that, and I would just like your feedback. Thank you.